Hey guys, Michael here from michaelsherlock.com. I'm with Sprint's branded HTC Touch Pro 2, and I'd like to just show you text input because this is a full touchscreen device that also has a full QWERTY keyboard. That touchscreen is resistive, so keep that in mind. So you have portrait text input, and if you look here down here, you can switch it between T9 predictive text and standard just alphanumeric, type everything in. So we'll put it on T9. This is a test. Go down one line, type it again. This is the test. So not totally accurate. Again, this is a resistive screen, so text input can be a little bit cumbersome on resistive screens, but it's still fine and it still works fine. I mean, you can disregard a little bit in terms of me trying to be in a different angle to show you the video, so I have to say it's actually pretty good for a resistive screen. So we'll go down a few more lines. We'll switch over to the landscape virtual QWERTY. Again, it has the T9 or the just regular version as well. So we'll go down a few lines. This is just regular. This is a teat. And we'll go down one more line, try with T9. Whoops. That's one of the problems. The button to disable the keyboard is pretty close to the space bar. So this is a test, turned out to thus been a test. I'm not sure why that happened, but it's a little bit hard to type on here. But I think that the only reason why you'd use a virtual QWERTY in either orientation is just for some quick input, whether that be some numbers really quick or just a quick input, because if you're really going to do some serious text input, you're going to use this mammoth keyboard. So let's go down a few lines. This is a test, no problem. Try that. michaelsherlock.com, no problem there. And really, text input is really wonderful with this full backlit QWERTY keyboard. As you can see, it has 3 rows just for letters, top row for some symbols, but they're dedicated number keys, and the bottom you have space, you have different functions. And again, it just works much nicer than any virtual keyboard could, because again, on the screen when you're typing in there, you could accidentally hit that button, and it just gets really hard when you're trying to type something out. But again, the resistive touchscreen, it works okay, but text input is just going to be for some quick text. You're not going to be entering a lot of data with that resistive screen. For all your data input, you're going to use this really wonderful keyboard. Tactile feedback is really nice on it. Everything's spaced out. Again, it's backlit, so you can use it in the dark and not have any problems. And you can really become quite efficient for emails, text messages, all that stuff when you're using the keyboard. So again, I'm Michael Sherlock from michaelsherlock.com. This is the HTC Touch Pro 2 Sprint branded smartphone running Windows Mobile 6.1, featuring a full resistive touchscreen and a 5-row backlit QWERTY keyboard. Thanks for watching.